Hi everybody, welcome back to Truly Artrageous. I'm Neil, and today we're drawing a tree frog. But before we do that, I wanted to let everybody know, in case you don't know already, every Monday and Thursday we post brand new videos to the channel here, so be sure to come on back and check them out. All right, let's get into our drawing of a tree frog. Okay, let's get started on our tree frog. So for this one, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're going to need a drawing utensil. That can be the marker that I'm using here or whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to our coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm using. Feel free to match these colors or choose your own colors because frogs come in lots of colors. Also, very important, if I'm going too fast during the tutorial, feel free to push pause or hit that rewind button. I want you guys to have as much fun as you can while you're drawing. Okay. First step, we are going to draw the end of the tree frog's nose, and it starts right here, and it kind of dips down and almost like the outer side of a bell. So down and around like that. Then we're going to do kind of a funky shape. This line is going to come up like this, and then it's going to come over like this, and then it's going to come flat like this. So up, over, flat. Then we're gonna do an outline of the eye, and eyes on frogs are huge, so we're gonna make a big arch like this. And then on this side, we're just gonna see the side of the eye. So we're gonna curve a line up like this. So make sure that the tops of the eyes are kind of matching. They don't have to be exact because drawing's not exact. And then we're gonna curve a line down like this. Then we'll put those eyeballs in there. We're going to start right about here. We're gonna curve a line over and down like that. And then in here, it's just a circle. Go all the way around and leave that outer edge there, like that. Next, we're gonna draw the underside of the mouth and a little of the underbelly. So the underside of the mouth comes down like this. It's really sharp because the jaw of a frog is really flat. So that straight line down right there, then we're gonna curve out a little bit because they have kind of foldy skin right there. That's a technical term, by the way. And then we're gonna have a diagonal line come down like that. Then we're gonna come back up and do the top side of the frog. So we're gonna pretend that this line goes all the way through to here. And we're gonna curve a line ever so slightly down in like that. And then we'll do the back of the frog over, around, and in like that. Next, we're gonna draw the leg. So that's gonna start right about here. It comes almost straight up. Then it has a little bit of a knob on there for their kneecap. And then it comes curving around like this down to here. And then there's an indication line right here for that top and bottom leg break. Okay, next we're going to draw, what is that? The left arm? Yes, the left arm. Okay, so it's gonna start right about here, a little bit under the eye, right here. So we're gonna curve a line up like this, then we're gonna come straight across like this. And then we're going to angle up like this just a little bit because they have kind of a sharp point on the end of their elbow. And then we're gonna go all the way down like this. Then we'll draw the underside of the arm. So we're gonna curve up just a little bit. They're kind of where our bicep would be is pretty skinny. So it's just a thin line across there. And then we're gonna pull another line that goes down all the way to there. Okay, then we're going to draw the arm on the other side. We're only going to see a little bit of this one, but we're going to start right here, and we're going to curve a line down like this, and then another line down like this. Okay, next we're going to draw the limb of the tree that he is perched on. So that's going to start over here. We're going to curve a line up, and this doesn't have to look any way, shape, or form. This is just the way that I'm choosing to do the branch. You can do it however you want. You're gonna keep coming up like this, go down a little bit like that, and we'll keep that line going all the way through, down like that. And I'm gonna connect my lines here to the bottom. or the top of the tree branch, I should say. Okay, next we're gonna draw some fingers. That's gonna start right here. It's gonna come up a little bit because they're kind of suction cup fingers. You're gonna curve a line around like this and then down like that. Then there's another finger that kind of swoops out like here, and it's gonna cling on kind of underneath the branch like that. And then a real thin line all the way back like that. Then we've got another one that's gonna curve around the branch, so that is going to stop right there. And then we're gonna pull a little bit of a line right here to kind of indicate the top of that finger there. And then the last finger is gonna come down like this. Same thing on this side, it's gonna go underneath that branch, and then we're going to connect it like that. Then we'll come over to this side and we'll draw the other hand. So that's gonna come out like this. This one kinda is funky, so it comes out like this, but then it's cupped underneath the tree branch like that. And then we're gonna pull that ever so thin line back like that. Next finger is gonna come down and over, because this one curves under too, like this. And then we will put the other side of the finger like that. We got 2 more fingers to go. So this one is going to actually be kind of flat on top of the tree branch here. So this one's gonna come up and over and down like this. Another line over like this, and then we're gonna cap it off with that little suction cup part of their finger. And then the last finger is going to curve around like this, come over down like this, and we'll put that little suction cup piece on that one as well. All right, next we're gonna draw the bottom side of the branch. So that's gonna start here. We're gonna pull that down like that. Pretend like it keeps going through, because it's gonna end up on the other side there. Then we're gonna keep pulling that all the way through. It's going to dip down a little bit here. Keep pulling through. Actually, I'm gonna pull that up just a little bit more. And keep pulling that line all the way across and down like that. Next, we're gonna draw the foot. So that's gonna start right here. And we're gonna curve a line over like this to represent that suction cup part of their feet, because like their hands, they've got the little suction cups. And then we're gonna pull it across like that. Next toe comes down and around like this, and then it's got the little suction cup part on the end, and we'll pull that back like that. Another toe comes down like this, little tiny line like that, and cap it off with a suction cup like that. And then the last one here, just a little short one, and then the little suction cup part like that. All right, next we're gonna come back up to the face here, and we're gonna put his mouth on. So that's gonna curve out like this, and then come down, under, and then it comes around the head. He almost has a smile, because he's a happy little tree frog. We'll put a little indication line for the bottom of the jaw, because it's kind of pronounced on a frog. So we'll go like this. Next, we will put the nostril on, really super easy. Come up here, boop. That's all you need. Then there's a little circle behind here, and I think that that's the frog's ear. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. I could be way off. So we're gonna draw that circle in there, and it's gonna come around like this, and it's gonna be a little bit of an oval shape though, because we're looking at it kind of in the distance. All right, and last but not least, we will add the pupils of the frog. So that's gonna start right here, and they kind of have a cat's eye, like that, down like that. Then we'll color that in like that and leave a little indication of light. And then over here, it's just kind of a curved line the opposite direction of this one. Over like that. Leave that indication for the light. All right, and there's your line drawing for your tree frog. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, where do fruits vacation? Paris. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and I'll do that in super speed, and I'll hop to it too, like a frog. starting now. All right, there you have it, your fully colored tree frog. Thanks for coming along with me and drawing the tree frog. I hope you guys had lots of fun. I'm sure your artwork looks amazing. That's gonna wrap it up for this video here. If you wanna go support the channel, just go down below and click that subscribe button and give us a like. And don't forget to have a great day, wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.